All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 204,000 miles on the odometer, and this thing looks like it has 20,000 miles on it. It is mint inside and out, super, super clean, a one owner, tons of service records with it. I think it was over 40 or 45 service records with lots of recent service done as well. We'll have all of that listed on the website. You have the air ride suspension, non-smoker. I mean, this thing honestly is a time capsule. It looks brand new. See the flickering here? That's just in camera. None of that is in person. That's just the camera being crazy. The alignment is perfect. Steering's nice and straight. This air ride, super, super soft. I mean, this thing drives like a new vehicle. Very, very impressive. Local vehicle here in Edmond, Oklahoma, always serviced at the Lexus dealership. I mean, you can't really get much better than the maintenance history and ownership on this. Beautiful, beautiful Lexus. Shifts nice and smooth. Very, very nice. And probably the biggest question is mileage. This is all highway from Edmond to Tulsa, I believe, back and forth. No kids, single owner. So that's why the passenger seat and the back seats just look mint, because it was just the owner in this seat, and that's about it. All right, checking out the back. Got the third row. We'll go on the other side and look at that as well. A couple tiny little stains. Carpet's in great condition. A few small stains there. And there is zero rust up here. That's super common to have them. This one is perfectly clean, in great condition. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. So this is a one owner vehicle here in Edmond, Oklahoma. Tons of service records with it. I believe over 45 records. Looking at the paint, beautiful pearl white paint. It's in great condition. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's nice and clean. Really, really nice. All that plastic is in great condition. A couple of light scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that looks good. That door looks amazing. Lower side looks good. All the glass is nice and clean. A couple of light little scuffs here and there. That looks good. Looking at the headlights, clarity looks really nice. Typical little rock impacts and chips here and there, but very, very minimal, especially for the miles. The front end looks really good. Scanning that fender, nice and clean. Overall, that wheel's in great condition. Body panels look good. A couple small little rock impacts and chips. That's clean. I got the sunroof, the color match roof rails. That looks really good. This plastic is nice and clean as well. A little bit of wear from just getting in and out. Looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Looking at the wheel, a couple light scuffs here and there, otherwise in great condition. Clarity on these lenses is perfect. Super, super clear. These lenses look amazing as well. Let's see how clean the light is there. All right, checking out this interior, absolutely gorgeous, fully loaded, every option available minus the rear media. You would never know this had 200,000 miles on it just based on the condition inside and out. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, one owner. Really, really nice. Looking at all the wood, no cracks on them. I know they're notorious for getting cracks. Looks clean, got the memory seating. Got some small imperfections here, otherwise that panel looks amazing. Typical wear on the floor mat. Looking at that bolster, looks really good. Same here, very minimal wear. Wood grain on the steering wheel, nice and clean. Same here, all those buttons look good. No wear on the buttons. Got the power steering column. You do have the air ride, so you can raise and lower it. That was fully serviced recently. And then checking this out, this looks brand new. Buttons are nice and clean, all the wood looks amazing. Shifter looks brand new. Beautiful, beautiful interior. All right, checking out the front right door panel. All of the wood here is perfect, no cracks anywhere. That's nice and clean. Lower trim looks good. Here on the carpet, little spot right there, otherwise in great condition. This all is nice and clean. And then checking out that bolster, it looks amazing. I don't see any rips, tears, or scuffs or anything like that. It looks really, really nice. Armrest looks good. That trim is nice and clean. A couple light scuffs here. Upper side of the dash, amazing condition. The handle looks good. Got the big sunroof. This side is really, really nice. Here on the back right door panel, wood grain's perfect. Same here. Looks really good. Carpets are in amazing condition, and same with the seats back here. They look brand new. Very, very clean. All of that looks good. Here on the buttons, super clean. And of course you do have your third row. Looks awesome. All right, checking out the back left door panel. That wood grain's perfect. Same here, no cracks or imperfections. That looks good. Looking at that trim, looks amazing. That bolster is nice and clean, super soft leather.